Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we'll be unboxing a package that came for me today. What is it? I don't know. We're gonna find out right now. So what I'm gonna do is use this trusty knife to cut this package and let's find out. So take this out and we got a box of earphones, the P47 5.0 plus EDR headphones, wireless headphones. Alright, pretty nice if you ask me. I think I saw them somewhere. That's $20 in Amazon. I'll put a picture right here or right here. Yeah, but it has no star rating, so I'll be the first one to review this, I guess. This headphone does is it's power supply, so you have to charge it. Apparently you could play, suspend telephone on the next song / the volume, so I guess you could change the volume and things. It's a wireless model. I'm gonna test it out for myself. It's stereo radio. I'm guessing you could hear the radio 5.0. In the side right here we show how it looks like, and in the back it tells us everything it has to offer. So it has, hold up, let it focus a bit, I apologize for it. Holy shit. So it has a driver unit 40 millimeter diameter, support wireless 5.0 version downwards, compatible with 5.0 version, scoop up 10 meters. You get the gist. It comes with a USB. You could talk to it about 6 hours. Standby, I'm not sure what that is, but it's up to 15 hours. The frequency is 2.4 GHz through 2.4835 GHz. I think that's gigahertz in terms of numbers. And in the bottom, if you can see it says made in China, and this is compatible with Android, Windows, and BlackBerry smartphones. So and it says inline mic, so I think it has a microphone. I'm not sure, I'm gonna test it out, but I think this headphone is super old and this compatible with the BlackBerry. That thing is very old. And yeah, let's try it out. View of the box, you see it's the box itself. You open it and ta-da, this comes out. You see all the things. It's a red box. We open it here. Alright, you guys see, and what comes out is the headphones itself in this plastic bag. Not even close, but yeah. And then what else it comes, oh shit, that is a bit windy right here, so I do apologize further ahead. Anyway, like I was saying, it comes with the headphones itself, and then it comes with the audio jack or the aux cord or something like that to connect to the headphone, I'm guessing. And then lastly, you got the micro USB type. So I guess this is to charge the headphones. I think you could connect it to my phone. I'm not sure. Hold up. Yeah, because if you're short of a charger, this could be an Android charger as well. So that's a bonus. And lastly, what we have in the box is the instructions on how to set it up. So yeah, that's basically all in the box. And yeah, now taking the headphones out of the bag, we see it's just some headphones. It's a bit hard. P47 wireless. Oh shit, snaps. So it's like this. It looks like those school headphones, but it is. So here's a famous thing, the pause and call. I guess this to play back or lower the volume, turn off. And I'm not sure what this is. I'm guessing it's the mute for M. And right here we got nothing. It feels nice. Oh shit. As I was saying, these headphones sounds nice. I feel like a premium feeling to it, but what matters is how it functions, not the looks. So far it passes on the looks, but I'm not sure how the quality of it is. So I'm gonna find that out right now. I'm about to show you guys one more thing. Right here is where to charge the headphones thing. I'm not sure what this is. I'm guessing an SD card reader. And like in the bottom here, or right here, I'm not sure, is to show the indicator that's charging. And there was one more thing. Hold up. Where was it? Oh, in the bottom here. Let it focus a bit. This is where you connect the aux cord to it. I guess to like connect this to the phone, and then so you guys could hear what I say, something like that, or just to hear music or etc. Yeah. So I'm gonna charge it and be right back. The thing about the box is that it didn't come with an adapter, so I had to take out my Samsung adapter to charge the thing. So that's one thing. If you're trying to buy these headphones, make sure you have a USB adapter to connect it to charge it. So yeah. The thing about this charger is that the cord for it's a bit short, so I have to charge it leaving it hanging, but I'm not sure. Yeah, you could tell right here, the red light, it indicates that it's charging, so it's all good. So I'll be back when it's fully charged. So after 2 hours of charging this device, to turn on the device, you have to press this power button and you have to hold it for a few seconds so the blue light could appear. Give it a moment. It's hard to see, but if you could tell, the blue light is right here, is blinking. So I'm gonna test that out on the recording audio thingy, so you could hear my voice if it actually has a built-in mic. If you don't, then oh well. When playing video games with the headphones, it sounds pretty nice, and you could hear the noise nice and clear and raw. It was a good experience with the headphones. While listening to music, it's a bit hard because for some songs it sounds like a bit echoey and some don't, so that's a problem with the headphones. And also when talking to people, it works perfectly fine, and it's as it shows here, it's me talking with a friend of mine about some things. And also when you're taking these headphones to run with, it works perfectly fine as you can see, but the only problem is that the audio cord is a bit short. While using the headphones wirelessly, it was a bit more difficult to hear since some parts of the music would glitch out and other times it wouldn't, even if you were close to the phone. While here, I tested out how far can the wireless headphones and the phone itself connect to each other, and after doing the experiment, it has a pretty good range. One negative thing about this headphones is that the audio cord for it's a bit too thick, so to connect it to the phone, it doesn't need to have a case. So it could like plug in easily in. But when it has a case, it'll be like sometimes hard to record. So I'll show an example of the next clip. An example when it has a case like in mine's. So if you try and plug it in, you have to push it in to go in fully, but there's like a little gap right here. It's hard to tell, but there might be a little gap that might not allow it to like listen clearly. So what you might have to do is take out the case in order to work properly. So for the audio cord, if you have another one that's a little bit less thick than this, then that's a good one. But other than that, that's fine. Would you want to use this device? In my conclusion, I found out that using these such products is a bit harder to use. One, the micro USB is a bit shorter. Second, this cable is a bit short than expected. 3, it doesn't come with an adapter to charge the device, so you have to have a separate adapter in order to charge it. 4, I tried the FM radio thingy and it's trash. I don't know how to work with it. It doesn't work. I don't think people use the radio that much to listen to music either way. 5 or 4, not sure. The building quality feels nice, but once you wear it, it feels a bit difficult to wear. I'm not sure, but at least you could expand the size of your head with this. And lastly, there's much better options for $20 than this product, the P47. I will give it like a 2 out of 10, 5 out of 10, I guess, to be fair enough. I do not recommend this product, and I believe there should be better options for $20. Bye and take care. Peace.